guys, what's going on? I'm Samcrac, and today we're finally going to install our ARMYTRIX exhaust on my Audi RS7. So without further ado, I'm going to pull this into the garage. I'm going to grab a buddy, and we're going to start in the engine bay where we're going to remove the factory downpipes. We're going to open things up with a set of race downpipes and then throw our ARMYTRIX valved exhaust system on. This thing should sound unbelievable when it's finished. We're gonna finally hear what this exhaust sounds like. This is going to be the first startup with the full ARMYTRIX exhaust. And of course, we're gonna test and make sure that those valves open and close. All right, here we go. Hand on the brake, push to start. Sounds really good, but I think it gets even louder than this. Let's check our valves really quick. Oh, there you go, that's the loud mode. This wasn't even in loud mode. And then there's close. Let's drop this thing on the ground. Let's drive it outside and let's really hear what this thing sounds like. The valves were closed just now. We gotta open those valves up and give it a few revs. All right, here's the remote that comes with the ARMYTRIX exhaust. This is the closed valve mode. So if we give it a little rev here, for a closed valve, that sounds unbelievable. It's got like a really nice, almost exotic tone to it. All right, now this is the real deal. When we press this button right here, can you hear it? It just gets a little bit louder. Here we go, first time with the open valve ARMYTRIX exhaust. Oh my God. God. Enough. That's absolutely incredible. It sounds amazing. Gotta get it in. In manual mode is so much fun. Listen to first gear pops.